Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you what my plants are looking like. They're doing quite well. I've got some here tomatoes, ugu, and some basil, and these are my potatoes, which I'm going to harvest later on in the video. I've got my carrots and beetroot here, which are doing quite well, and I've got peppers here at the top, and some spring onions, and there's some courgettes growing, but they're looking quite poorly, or not looking so great, but they're doing much better now. And I've got my lettuce, more tomatoes. I've actually got some green peas actually growing, and then my cabbage, and these strawberries, well, they fruited quite well, but not doing so great anymore because some bugs have been eating them. But I'm really happy with how some of these some of my plants or vegetables have turned out. Some of them didn't grow. I really don't understand why some of them didn't. So I'm hoping that the next time when I plant them, they would do a lot better. But I'm really happy with how things turned out. With the potatoes, the size that I got was quite, should I say, small or medium size-ish, but this is better compared to the last year when I planted, where I only got like 3 potatoes, which is not even enough to feed one person, really tiny ones. But this time around, this is an improvement for me. So I saw growth, and I was really glad about this. I realized that next time with the soil, I need to aerate it more, so that the potatoes kind of push and are able to grow a lot larger. So I did, because I planted another batch of potatoes, so I was able to do that. So I'm hoping and praying that it's going to be different. So I'll see how that one turns out. But yeah, I was able to get quite a few potatoes, at least for one meal for like 3 people, which is fantastic. Yeah, so it's so nice having to basically eat organic from your garden. That just feels so rewarding. I was just like, yes. Being able to make something from your garden is so nice, you know. It just feels so different. Food tastes different. Honestly, it tastes so different. These ones are heritage lettuce, so they're like one of the really old or original seeds that I got, because I said I really wanted some organic and heritage stuff. So yeah, I decided with the potatoes I was just going to do it very simple with some fish and then the salad. Yeah, we really enjoyed it. They were like new potatoes basically, and it tasted really good. So guys, this is just to show, you know, what you can do with your garden. I mean, there's so much more I really want to do. Ideally, I would love to have like proper beds and all that, but I need to really think about that and work towards it. So guys, thank you so much. Like, share, subscribe, and I really appreciate you. Thank you for all my new subscribers. Thank you, and God bless you. Bye.